In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy something from Facebook Marketplace. For many of us, Facebook has become a central hub not just for connecting with friends, but also for buying and selling goods. Facebook Marketplace is a great place to find deals on just about everything, but starting out can feel a bit overwhelming. So let's break it down step by step to make your first purchase a smooth experience. First, you'll need to head over to Facebook. You can do this on your computer or through the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, look for the Marketplace icon. On a computer, you'll find this in the left-hand menu, while on the app, it's usually at the bottom of the screen. The icon resembles a little shop front. Give it a click or tap to enter Marketplace. Now that you're in, it's time to start searching for the item you want to purchase. You'll see a search bar at the top of the screen. Simply type in what you're looking for. Let's say you're on the hunt for a couch. Type couch into the search bar and hit enter. Feeling a bit more focused on your location? No problem. You can filter your search results by location to find items close to you. This is particularly useful for larger items you prefer to pick up rather than ship. On the left-hand side or within the filter section, depending on your device, you'll find the location filter. Adjust the radius to focus on listings nearby. Next, consider setting a price range. You want to make sure you're seeing items within your budget. Type in your minimum price and then your maximum price. This helps narrow down the listings to the ones that fit right into your budget, saving you time. After you've set your budget, it's a good idea to specify the condition of the item you're interested in. Whether you're looking for something new, used, or perhaps open box, you can select these condition filters to refine your search results further. Moving on to the date listed option. Sometimes it's helpful to filter by how recently an item was listed. This way you can find the freshest deals before they're snapped up by others. Look for the date listed filter to set your preference. And last but not least, check the availability of the item. This filter allows you to see only those listings that are still available for purchase. Choose the availability option to ensure you don't get your hopes up for an item that's no longer on sale. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can officially navigate Facebook Marketplace and zero in on the perfect item. Happy shopping!